I hope the group will sleep on the ship. The shoulder pole spinned out of the cup, over the map and onto her lap. Was the egg drop soup cheap? We cleaned the cobweb from the doorknob in the bathtub. Thorpe broke his glove when he slipped on the ice cube. The crab was under the seaman's lap at the yacht club. The thickest stuff was found in the taxicab. Kate left her cat on the mast as she flew a kite. The sailboat came into the port to join the fleet. What bait will make the fish bite? A cricket or a piece of meat? Fred will decide which land should be painted red. David tried to send a refund back to England. He could not hide his report card behind the chalkboard. Rule 1. Today I jump. Yesterday I jumped. Today I walk. Yesterday I walked. Rule 2. Today I rub. Yesterday I rubbed. I cleaned the kitchen. I poured the milk. I scrubbed the floor. I tagged the clothing. I spilled some juice. I trimmed the tree. I moved to California. The clock buzzed all night. Today I lifted the board. Yesterday I lifted the board. I heated up my dinner. He voted this morning. He handed me his report. I traded in my old car. She added some information. I have a feeling that she is working too much. She has been wearing a hearing aid so that she could sing. He looking forward to speaking at the Thanksgiving celebration.